Hello everyone, I am Perlan and Enargan, and today I am going to show you how to make biopesticide derived from ginger extract. So without further ado, let's start. The materials are, we have ginger, blender, and strainer. Step 1. Wash the ginger. Step 2. Chop the ginger into smaller pieces. Step 3. Add 500 ml of water. Step 4. Place the ginger in blender and mix with water. Step 5. Using strainer, separate the ginger extract. Step 6. Stored in a closed container.